Why do you think some of the most successful students and competitors on Hack the Box have VIP subscriptions? Hey, my name is Jex. I work here at Hack the Box. I know. Subscriptions feel like the bane of anybody who wants to just get into a platform or content and just dig into it. I totally get that. So I wanted to have an open conversation with you about what you get with our VIP and VIP Plus plans. For those who are new to HTB Labs, you might have heard some hype about how challenging Labs can be. It has been ever since you had to hack in to get your own account set up. However, a lot has changed since then, and users who are looking for a hands-on way to challenge themselves now have a powerful learning tool. So what has changed? Well, let's start with VIP. With VIP, you'll immediately have access to over 800 premium labs. That includes machines for those who are looking to sharpen up their offensive skills, challenges if you're trying to look into learning one particular skill, or Sherlocks for people who are interested in learning more blue teaming. Now, you remember how I told you you could turn the difficulty of labs into a powerful learning tool? This is how. Retired machines have walkthroughs. These walkthroughs are either written or, in some cases, they have a video from a creator that's already gone through the lab. This also extends to some of our challenges and Sherlocks too. Personally, walkthroughs gave me the insights to tackle a problem I'd never seen before. Additionally, there's a guided mode on retired machines that allow you to follow tasks to push you to the next flag. And you can hit the classic adventure mode to just test yourself first to see how far you can get. And what I'm excited about is that we've started to add walkthroughs to our challenges, because challenges have always been a very key resource for learning hyper-specific skills. And for people who like to dive straight into content, you'll have 24 hours of Pwnbox use. If you haven't heard of Pwnbox before, imagine a custom version of Parrot OS, loaded with all the tools that you need, and it's only a couple of clicks away. Pwnbox allows you to jump into content with a fresh and user-friendly UI. So for anybody who's new, you'll most likely be revving up one of these machines, so the more time you get, the better. Now, if you're a free user, you might have already experienced the slowdown that you might get during peak hours. With VIP, you'll be set on isolated VIP servers with other VIP users, making your experience much more smooth. And to top it off, VIP users get CPE credits for content across labs, giving anyone a boost who needs credits to maintain a certification or just prove continued growth. Now let's talk about VIP Plus. This is normally where I see our hardcore competitors go. The ones that are climbing up the ranks in the season's leaderboards, or just the people who are looking for the best user experience. This is actually the subscription that I had before I joined Hack the Box. And here's why. First is unlimited Pwnbox. Look, I'm usually on multiple different machines. Not all of them have VMware or VirtualBox on it, nor do I want to spin up something on DigitalOcean. So naturally, I like to have Pwnbox hooked up to wherever I go as long as I'm on HTB Labs. It just gives me the ability to not have to think about the setup. Instead, I can just jump into content. I think this one is the most important for competitors. You get a personal instance. Being on an isolated network speaks for itself.
Big chillin'.
Just hop on, connect, and you are set up with a VPN connection to your own dedicated machine. And I know a lot of people who like to compete in seasons talk about this a lot. In the end, you gotta pick what's right for you. If free works, it works. If you want to step up to VIP and have a ton of content at your disposal, go with that. And if you want all of that and dedicated connections and unlimited Pwnbox time, pick VIP Plus. You gotta choose what's right for you. But coming from a person who used the product and then joined the company, I get to see how often they are trying to make this content more approachable for people who want to try it. So stop by Hack the Box Labs and maybe try VIP out for yourself.